Hey guys, Chris here with Top Notch Plumbing. We're in another crawl space today. Customer with a leak on a copper water line right here. This is where her main comes in. You got her pressure reducing valve right here. Comes in, has a T right here. This T has a 90, and then that 90 is leaking at the solder joint and running down the pipe. So this side of the T goes to 1/2 inch, goes and feeds her house. So what we're getting there, or the other half of our house, so what we're getting ready to do is cut this T and this 90 out, replace that. We are going to use the Milwaukee Pro Press with the Vega Pro Press fittings. We have our Milwaukee copper tubing cutter. It just makes it kind of quick to use that on these lines. So we've already got the water turned off, got pretty much all the pressure bled down. There's still a little bit of water in the lines, but we're going to go ahead and get started. Go ahead and cut this and get the new stuff in. Just trying to clean some of the debris off the pipe so it gets a nice clean cut. This is the problem. Right here, that solder joint is just leaking, whether they just got a bad solder or what have you. That's where the leak has started. Got to cut a piece of 3/4 copper to fit in between the 90 and the T. You guys can see that. This makes a nice clean cut. These are pretty cool. I never thought I'd use it when I bought it, but I end up using it a lot, especially in tight places. It's nice to get in there where you can't get in and turn your hand a bunch of times with the auto cuts. As long as you can get the head of this piece in there, pull the trigger, and it does it for you. So it makes a nice clean cut on your copper. Nice precise cut. little easier. ProPress tool, it's a little expensive. The fittings, they're about the same price as a SharkBite fitting, which the homeowner can go to Lowe's or Home Depot and buy. These are just, they're more quality to them. I seem to like them a lot. At first, I didn't know about it. I started using them. Now I love it. It's fun to get them in. Makes it look good, nice, clean. It's copper. You don't have to worry about them pulling apart. So. Okay. Probably actually going to cut this other one back a little bit and put a coupling on there with a short piece, just because it was originally pulled over a little bit and I wanted to have a little straighter look to it. So I'm probably just going to go ahead and go grab a coupling real fast and get that done. All right, I'm back. I've got a 3/4 coupling, so I'll go ahead and see. Go ahead and cut another piece of 3/4 pipe. If you notice, I'm doing this before I press anything, so that way if I need to move, twist a little bit, I'm not holding myself up. Turn the light on. I had an issue with this tool. Just one reason that I like Milwaukee so much. I had an issue with this tool on my last video that I did when I cut all of the copper water lines out of the crawl space and repiped them with PEX because the house had tons of pinholes and leaks at all the fittings, which that house was 4 houses up the street from where I'm at today. This tool made about 3 or 4 good cuts, and then it just stopped working completely. I tried every battery that I've got, nothing would work. It was like a loose connection inside of the tool. Took it back, handed it in. They sent it to Milwaukee. Milwaukee sent me a new tool right back. No questions asked. They have a phenomenal warranty on them. They seem to work very well. There's never an issue when you have to have a warranty claim. They just take care of it. They just either fix the tool, send it back, or they'll just send you a brand new tool and do whatever with the other one, refurbish it or whatever. So that's a good reason to go with Milwaukee. Spend a little bit more money, go with Milwaukee. They're a better tool. All right, let's put this together. All right, so we got it all together. Now we can go ahead and we can start pressing it all. So I got the 3/4 head on the Milwaukee ProPress tool. So we'll go ahead and we'll start crimping all the 3/4 stuff, and then I'll switch heads and I'll do the 1/2 inch connection. Make sure your stuff's pushed together good before you crimp. Okay, all the 3/4 are crimped. We'll go ahead, change the tool head, flip this around, pull the pin out. The head comes right off. Grab the 3/4 head, drop it on the tool, push the pin in, lock it into place. It's ready to go. All right, so we'll make sure 1/2 inch is pushed in all the way. Put the tool on and pull the trigger. All right, guys. So that is how you make a water line repair on copper with ProPress using the Milwaukee ProPress tool and the Milwaukee copper tubing cutter. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna turn the water on now, test everything out, and then I've got a drain repair to make as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll keep shooting videos. Thank you guys.